Hello, it's Angeline here. Welcome to another crafty video with Unity Stamp. Today I'm going to show you how you can do some gouache painting on some craft. So first I've already stamped this cute Phyllis stamp by Unity on some tone tan paper by Strathmore. These are really cool, and I've also grabbed some gouache paint which I store in these peel containers, and I've squeezed them out earlier and it's kind of hardened now, but you can just spritz some water in it and reactivate it before you start painting. So for gouache paints, it's kind of like watercolors. If you add water to it, it will be translucent like watercolors, but if you add more color to it, it will be opaque, kind of like acrylic paints but more fluid. So it depends on what kind of look that you're going for, and you can also mix new colors here as what I'm doing, exactly the same as what you can do with watercolors as well. So because the colors can be opaque, it's great to be painting on craft because it kind of hides the craft color but still shows through kind of little, if that makes sense at all. So I'm just gonna let the music play and continue painting. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!